Progress here locally. Some of this may drift in our direction, I think,
really?
once we get later in the week here. Let's show you. This is visible satellite, and I pointed out where that fire is. You can see the plume. Now, the wind at the surface from the southwest, but the wind in the mid and upper levels, which is important in terms of where it gets dispersed, is more north and eventually curving around back toward the west here. So some of this is likely going to get drifted into the Ohio Valley in the coming days here. No major weather systems, but just enough moisture, just enough instability today that we are starting to see some of those spotty showers that we talked about the last couple here. One a little more concentrated there near Bloomington. 85 right now there in Bloomington, 90 in Shelbyville, and you can see the hit and miss nature of this. Unfortunately, not a lot of folks are going to get a drink of water, but there will be some areas here that will. Nothing severe expected with these. Likely just going to be some slow-moving downpours. 84 southeast wind at 10. What you're feeling today, that dew point that's now in the 60s, so the muggy meter is up into the uncomfortable range. It's going to be hovering around that line here for the next couple. 85 officially Indianapolis. Feeling a little bit warmer than that because of the mugginess in the air. Here's your breakdown for tomorrow. Like today, hot, humid, close to 90 in the afternoon, and the rain odds at about 30 to 40% for tomorrow. Not much to expect in terms of rain in the morning if you have a tea time early on, and then you'll start to see things kind of building up, bubbling up just like today. Maybe a little bit more coverage across central Indiana as we get into tomorrow afternoon. And then as we look ahead to tomorrow evening, Indians are going to have their game youth clinic, 6:35 first pitch. That's tomorrow, not today. A few storms to dodge. Otherwise, it should be another nice night at the ballpark here. Now, as we move forward, get you into later in the week, we're going to see temperatures flirting with 90 each day, and the moisture axis gets pushed to the west of us so that Thursday, Friday, and for the weekend, the odds of rain are going to be even lower than what we're seeing right now, as well as tomorrow. And with increasing sunshine, temperatures likely to get into the lower 90s here for Friday and Saturday. Looking ahead to the middle of next week, if you're not a fan of the hot air, we do expect a cool down. But in between now and then, this is going to be summer heat. Perfect pool weather, in my opinion.